What's going on, squad? Ride back with another video. Guess what, man? We about to do something I've never done before, and I got a scaredy fucking cat with me. Excuse my language, but I got a scaredy cat with me, man. We about to take this shit to the sky. We going up with it.
Yeah,
it's up. It's up, but we coming back down. It ain't stuck.
We got a private jet.
We got a private jet?
Private jet.
Okay.
Yeah. On me.
Who's scared, Slime?
This man right
He
here.
scared?
Hold on, wait. I'm not scared.
Don't call himself smooth.
He smooth?
Yeah, but scared.
Grounded smooth? Smooth on the ground?
I guess I'm getting on, guys. I'm getting on.
You guess?
I guess.
Hey, he ain't got no choice but to get on, y'all.
You getting on?
Why you asking other people? Yo, he's asking other people. We about to go in here and see how much it costs to get in. And on one, you know me, I like danger, so we're about to go in here and find out.
Starts right here, goes around Myrtle ways and back, 2 miles, 2 minutes, no beach, no ocean.
All right, so
then
we're
we have
about
our most popular flight, which is the boardwalk. It starts right here, goes by the Wax Museum, Grand Prix, probably the beach, down to the beach, over the ocean to the sky wheel, up around Ripken and back to here. It's 4 times as long, 8 miles compared to 2 miles. So much better flight, much better deal.
There it is. I'm with it. We're going to the water.
Everybody wants to do boardwalk? Fantastic, all right? So, like I said, everybody wants to fly, come on down.
Who's the first 3? I think this is gonna be some good content.
Who first? Y'all first?
Yeah, we're gonna get this going.
Go right around, guys.
So,
come on down.
there's 3. So he can go with. Yes, sir. This man's scared.
I'm front of the line.
You front of the line?
Yep. I'm gonna tell
you. Know why? You know why you're in front of the line? Because the exit is closer.
That's me.
He don't want to hear you.
Come on. Steady holler in front of the line.
All the ones that are working ones
Which one are we deciding to take?
The boardwalk.
3 for the board.
I can just take just drop.
It ain't hit
I got commas.
You got commas?
Commas.
How many? Because the machine said no.
Hey, there we go. There we go. Stop playing with me.
Just let you know you can't take it.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, alright.
Slime, the commas ain't clear.
Yeah, alright.
Alright. Number 1. It's probably down. Just sit here a second. This is.
Did you transfer the money?
Yeah, we good. The count is good.
Your card turned on?
Yeah, it's turned on.
No, did he activate the new card?
Oh, wait. I gotta, hold on. I gotta check it and savings on my money from savings. So
Okay. I just want to ask her how many times it declined. That's all. I just want to ask her.
Board has your signatures, please.
Huh? Oh, man.
bro, I need a haircut, bro. That's why I was trying to wear a hat.
There's nothing wrong with your head, bro. That's the same head you was born with. Now something wrong with it. You get this old. Right over where?
Oh, wait, what? Bro, it's like a maze. Hey, man, shout out to SDB. Shake the block.
Okay, what you got? Okay. Daytona. Yo, y'all violated my man Hoodie, yo. That's crazy.
Hold on, she really violated. She put trash in it. We not gonna talk about it though.
Damn.
I put it back in there because I ain't seen nothing. You gonna clean it out before you give it to him?
Well, I hope the pilot not as confused as them.
Hey, where you guys going? Yeah, alright.
Hey, y'all. Alright, y'all. So we about to go out there on those choppers, man. I guess who's scared? Yeah, I said it. You scared?
I ain't never scared.
Alright. I'm gonna ask him. You see the way the tail spin, the flapping?
Yeah, we just gonna do it. We just gonna do it, man.
Alright.
We just gonna do what it do, and we're gonna make it happen. That's simple as that.
Is this your first time on something like this? My first.
A helicopter, yeah.
Yeah, mine too.
A plane, nah. I can do a plane.
You been on a helicopter?
As long as I don't see where I'm going. You did this rider 2 times.
2 times.
Oh,
She always make
How y'all good, man? How about you? We gonna pop back here. We kinda talk. Oh, you want us right here?
Yeah.
We got to?
I mean, yeah, I'll get in trouble.
Okay. Well, that's sideways.
I'll go through the back.
Yeah, we don't want you to get in trouble.
So have you ever been on a helicopter before?
No, sir.
Y'all excited or nervous?
He's nervous. I'm excited.
So it's Rodney and Samuel.
Yeah. Gryffindor.
Bro. This man. Hey man, we got the lead loader right here.
Yeah.
He about to take care of us. About to get on a helicopter ride.
All
You
right,
scared,
all
bro?
right.
I heard you were scared.
You try
Hey.
to do whatever you can to deflect the fact that you're really nervous right now.
Hey, I'm putting the title Rod. You're scared of getting on the helicopter.
You know what I'm gonna do? I got a trick for you when we in there.
For real?
Yeah. We're gonna see who's scared.
Nah, I'm out that one.
We're gonna see who's scared. You got any advice for us?
Just don't open up the door while you're in there.
Don't open up the door.
Why would I open the door?
I know some people
You'll
do
be
it on
surprised.
Where?
accident. Like they'll get nervous and hold on to the handle and they
Oh.
don't realize it.
Wow. Sir, he's scared. You got it all up there. doing? Can you hear me? All right, we here. Hey, Jeff, we're going. How you doing? I'm doing pretty good. How about you, sir? Hanging in there. I'm doing good. How about you?
just off
I think I'm gonna give her some cash. Hold on.
All right. Go ahead and stand right here then, bro.
There you go. Thank you. Man, I'm so tall, I feel like it's on the back of my neck.
Nah, that dude was white.
Yeah.
But nah, the crazy thing, like I said, if I'm not looking at it, I'm good.
I'm looking at it now.
I'm looking at my phone.
Hey man, he made it.
We made it, man.
He made it.
Oh my, I made it.
Slime took about the clip. Oh, I enjoyed it. I should have paid $100 and really took that shit somewhere. Next time.
Next time.
Next time.
Hey, we got next time.
Next time.
Mine was on live.
She went live?
No, I'm saying.
Hey man, we done did the helicopter thing, man. It was a dope experience. If y'all never done it, make sure you go do it. Like I said, subscribe to Smooth Hemi 392, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tune in to him. You already know if you're on my channel, make sure you do the same. Man, Red Out Ride, we out, man. Peace.
We out, man.